What's up, guys? It's Pretty Boy Guzman. Yo, we are right now underneath of the super rare, one of a kind Bigfoot number 7 from the movie Roadhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 5-ton axle with the drive shaft, and the whole truck is still here in Florida. Hold up. To just get a comparison, here is my hand compared to the tire. A 10-foot tall tire with a magnificent sized truck. I think this is a 1992 Ford F-250. If I'm not wrong, it's probably a 350. There's some things there. And here's the springs. Damn. I'll crawl on the other. These things are old, rough condition. I wonder if it still has the engine. There's the front. 1992 Ford F-250. Quick video. Peace.